Blackview is expected to release lots of devices this month, one of which is the Blackview XPLORE 1, a rugged phone expected to launch by late July. The XPLORE 1 would be priced between $300 and $400, offering serious value for rugged phone enthusiasts. Anyway, the XPLORE 1 is a rugged beast built for extreme durability and high performance. It comes in black and orange colorways, and it measures 29.5mm thick and weighs 638 grams. Running on the DockOS 4.2 based on Android 15, this device boasts a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with a 1080 by 2460 resolution, protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and offering a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. There's also a 2-inch secondary screen with a 240 by 296 resolution for extra utility. Powering the XPLORE 1 is the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 octa-core 5G chipset built on a 6nm process and clocked up to 2.4 GHz. You get two storage options, including 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage or 16GB RAM with 512GB UFS 4.0 storage, plus support for up to 2TB TF card expansion. Fueling it all is a massive 20,000 mAh battery with 55 watts fast charging and reverse charging support. And in the camera department, you get a 50MP Samsung ISOCELL JN1 front camera and a dual rear camera setup featuring a 64MP main sensor and a 20MP night vision camera. Audio is handled by a smart K-Box speaker. The device is also rated IP68 and IP69K and military grade standard 810H for rugged reliability. For navigation, it supports GPS and other essential navigation systems. Other features include dual SIM, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner which is embedded on its power button, and face unlock. It also supports glove mode, which means you could operate this device while wearing gloves, NFC, dual 5G voice over LTE, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. These are just some of its top features. Anyway, what do you think about the Blackview XPLORE 1? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.